Hi guys, I just put another mod on the Patina Cub. I can't leave nothing alone. It's so fun. I love tinkering and doing this stuff, and I like experimenting because it just makes me that much more knowledgeable about what works and what don't on your Cubs. So watch this video and you see what I did to the Patina Cub. Well, it showed up. There it is. This is the Acme Pro suspension I'm putting on. This time we're taking the 9-inch extended chromoly gear off and we're putting titanium 6-inch extended gear. The biggest reason why I decided to go with this is the weight savings. My Cub right now weighs 1,130 pounds, and this is going to save me 15 pounds. So I'm going to be 11-15, the way you see it, 35 with the belly pod and everything. And we go to those cool places and I can put a little more in the back of the Cub. Yeah, pump, there she is. Now let's go flying. Can't wait. And I would like to discuss suspension, why guys go with forward gear, extended gear, titanium gear, which this is. Thanks guys at Acme. It saved roughly 15 pounds compared to my chromoly gear, but my chromoly gear I had was also Acme, but it was 9-inch extended. This is 6-inch extended. So yeah, a lot of questions. Well, should I go forward 3 inches straight down? Should I extend the gear? My biggest thing, it all depends on what you want to do with your aircraft. And what size of engine and the weight you have on the front. This Bernard is a fairly light engine. It's when I made the aircraft, it kind of has the C of G of as if it was an 0320 on it. Guys with an 0360, a little more weight and stuff on it, usually tend to put gear 3 inches forward. That just allows you, when you land, you can get on the brakes because you got a lot of weight on the front. You also got to keep in mind when you do that, the gear coming forward to your C of G in the air is going to be a little bit more forward too, but it also allows you to put more in your luggage so you have to keep that in that envelope. I like the extended stuff. This is uncharted territory. I had to beg and plead for Acme to build the Tie Gear 6-inch extended. They only offer the 3-inch, but in chromoly, they will no problem doing it, extending it. I like the extended gear so you get more of a tack angle when you want to rotate. You don't want to it'll grab that air and lift off a little quicker. So with this being a lighter engine, I decided I wanted to go straight down, and it also keeps my tail a little lighter. So when I land on a gravel bar, I'm always 2-point landing and then taxiing around, and then I'll set my tail down. I just don't want to damage or bust my tail hitting bigger rocks and stuff. So yeah, it all depends on what you want to do with your aircraft. And if you guys have any question on landing gear, this is only my opinion, but I'd love to help you out. Yeah, leave a comment and I'll do my best and I'll get back to you as quick as I can and help you guys build your dream bush plane. Thanks guys for following along and subscribing, because we got so much in store and we're going to be building a turbine cub here very soon.